At 2 a.m., Edwin Hubble stares at a thin smear of light on a glass plate and realizes the universe might be running away. California, 1929. Up on Mount Wilson, the air is sharp with pine and cold metal. The dome creaks as the telescope swings, slow and deliberate, like a giant searching for something it can't name. Inside, lamplight trembles over notebooks, rulers, and plates. Fragile squares of captured starlight that look quiet, until you know what to look for. For years, astronomers argued about what those faint spiral nebulae really were. Clouds inside our Milky Way? Or entire island universes, unimaginably far beyond it? Hubble had already pushed the boundary once, finding stars inside those spirals, proving they were galaxies. But proving they exist is one thing. Understanding what they're doing is something else. Here's the unsettling clue. Their light is shifted. Not by a little, by enough to whisper a single, stubborn word, redshift. Like a sound dropping lower as something speeds away. Like a siren fading down the street, even if you never see the car. But redshift alone isn't a verdict. It's a hint, a problem. Because if galaxies are really moving away, then away from what? Hubble doesn't guess. He measures. Distance first, using Cepheid variable stars, cosmic lighthouses whose steady rhythm tells you how far they are. Then the redshift, numbers already being carefully gathered, especially through the painstaking work of Vesto Slipher and others who recorded how galaxy spectra were displaced. Night after night, the data stack up like quiet pressure behind a door. Then comes the moment that snaps it open. He plots distance against redshift, and the dots don't scatter into noise. They line up. Not perfectly, but unmistakably. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it's fleeing. And suddenly the universe changes shape in your mind. Because if space is expanding, it's not that galaxies are exploding away from a central point like shrapnel. It's that the stage itself is stretching, the distance between everything growing everywhere, all at once. No center, no edge, just a cosmic fabric being pulled taut. That straight line becomes a rate, a single number with terrifying power, the expansion rate of the universe, what we now call the Hubble constant, a clock hidden inside the sky. And if the universe is expanding today, rewind it. All roads lead backward toward a denser, hotter beginning, an origin story written not in myth, but in measurement. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, the darkness isn't still, it's moving, it's growing. And we only noticed because someone in 1929 had the patience to listen to light. If this story made you feel the universe breathe a little wider, help the channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, does cosmic expansion make you feel small or strangely connected?